Hello and welcome to New Chapel Car Company, based in the heart of the village of West End on the outskirts of Southampton. We've been established here since 1988 and we're really proud of our Auto Trader 5-star review status and also for being awarded one of the highly rated awards for customer service from Auto Trader for 2021. So thank you very much to Auto Trader, and more importantly, all of our previous customers for both of those wonderful accolades. Today I'd like to take the opportunity to show you around our latest car, one of our firm favourites, this absolutely stunning Ford Mondeo. It's a 2015 car and it's the 1.5 TDCi titanium model. This is Euro 6 compliant, so available for all the ULEZ areas. Benefits from being zero road tax and 78.5 miles per gallon combined, so fantastic economy these cars. Being the titanium, this has got loads of features in it, especially all on the inside. On the outside you'll notice that this is running the 16-inch alloys, so really lovely comfortable ride. We've got all the colour-coded door handles, mirrors. Mondeos are just absolutely stunning cars and we always love to get our hands on them when we can. Finished in the moon dust silver, really just does have that classic appearance and ticks every box for anybody that wants to travel in a big car in lots of comfort. As we come inside the Mondeo, really is a huge car, plenty of space inside, really comfortable car to be on any long journey. Also more than capable for the short run to the shops as well. Nice supportive grey black cloth seats with the contrasting silver stitching through the middle. Lots of different adjustments, you can get yourself really nice and comfortable. Whereas on the door card, being the titanium, you get all the extra features. So we've got the gloss black panel section here, and that houses the controls for your front and rear electric windows and also your electric mirrors, and that includes a folding function. Then got the option for your door locking, the chrome door handle, and this satin silver grey trim just brightens up the interior that much more. So we come inside the car. First of all, you've got your light switch here and your front and rear fog lights. Then have a leather trim steering wheel, really nice. On the left hand side you've got your cruise control and your vehicle speed limiter functions, whereas on the right you've got your menus and also your Bluetooth voice dialing. Tucked behind that, the controls for your wipers and indicators. And then you've got a really nice simple laid out dashboard with the rev counter and your temperature on the left, and your speedo and fuel gauge on the right, and a digital display in between. So really is a nice large car. We'll fire up the engine in a moment and show you all the infotainment system there. It's a Ford Sync 2 model. Here you've got your climate control features and also the Ford famous heated front windscreen and air conditioning. 6-speed manual gearbox, and you have the options for disabling your auto start stop if you wish, and then you have the electronic handbrake. Just behind us here you've got the twin cup holders, the armrest, and that includes your cubby hole, and there's your USB input. Right, so with the ignition fired up, I can show you through all the Sync 2 system here. So below we mentioned you got all your heater and your adjustment there. You also have a digital touchscreen that you can adjust these on if you want to have it as a dual one. Change the fan speed, and then also the temperature displays. So that can all be done through the touchscreen or the manual buttons below, depending upon your individual preference. Okay, so down the bottom here we got the infotainment. So this is a DAB radio. You also have inputs for your AM, FM, traditional CD, and also your USB device if you wish to connect it that way as well. Up the top, see you've got your pair your phone option. So this gives you the full Bluetooth capability. This is also running the Sync Microsoft system, so you can get really clever if you wanted to and sync all your calendar and get all your text messages and everything through this screen and the display as well. Ford really went to town on these Ford Sync systems. It really is a clever bit of kit if you want to get that involved. Again, you can then start having your calendar and your diary features on here as well. Really does give you that options of the good old sort of rep cars carrying around all the kit for long journeys. So that gives you a bit of a run through of the infotainment system. So if I come around to the passenger side this time, again you'll see it's all in really nice condition. You can see a lot clearer on this side. You've got the passenger airbags built into the driver's seat as well on a side airbag support system, so really nice safe car. And you also benefit from the dashboard mounted airbag as well. You remember on the driver's side I mentioned you've got that grey chrome trim that runs across. That then follows through neatly across the centre of the dashboard here. And then you can see the silver trim around the centre console. Just brightens up that dashboard area. One thing to notice, you'll see the seats in quite a far back position. You've got loads of leg room in the front here. Keep that in mind when I show you the back of the car in a moment. Matching door card, again with that nice gloss black feature with your electric windows. Coming into the rear now, remember how much leg room we had in the front? We've still got a huge amount of leg room in the back here. It really is a big, generous sized car. Plenty comfortable to carry 4 adults any amount of distance in comfort. You've got 3 full seat belts in the back here. Both outer seats benefit from an Isofix mounting system. And you also have the pull down armrest featuring your cup holders, and there's a little storage tray underneath as well. Rear door cards again matching the front, being the titanium spec. You get that nice satin grey silver trim as well as the gloss black, and it just gives you those elements of contrast that brighten up the interior and give you that quality titanium feel. And finally round to the boot. Again, absolutely cavernous, huge amount of space here. If it won't fit in the back of a Mondeo, it won't fit in any car basically. Really generous sized. You've got a 60, 40, 70, 30 folding split rear seat there, so you can lower those down individually. And you've got the old sort of ski hatch as well to load anything through the car that way. You also benefit from your spare wheel underneath. So all in all, fantastic sized car. So there we have our Mondeo Titanium. Hopefully that's given you a bit more of an insight into the car. You're welcome to come and have a look at this or any of our stock on the forecourt at your convenience. We also welcome your inquiries through our website, email and telephone also. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest stock movements, and we look forward to welcoming you to Newchapel Car Company.